basictheory.net. Here's a little explanation of the two things you'll need to do for this week. You'll need to work with interval identification and interval construction. When you go into the identification, have your settings, both clefs, this little wheel, you should see this. Make sure your key signatures are off. So we're working with building without a key signature. So make sure you have the natural here. Make sure you have require quality, and make sure you've got all these intervals turned on. We're doing all major, minor, augmented, and diminished intervals. You can have difficulty level 2. Make sure that you're not on level 1 because we are working with accidentals. Okay, great. So this one, you'll just need to identify each one. So you can, like we did before, E to A, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a fourth. Key of E, A is not affected, so perfect fourth. And these are really nice. You actually get to hear the sound of these intervals. F to G. Oh, that was an easy one from the class examples. So major second. D to F flat. Tricky one. So we know we're working with some kind of 1, 2, 3, some sort of third. Normally, if we're going to build a major interval, D to F, F sharp and C sharp's in the key of D. So D to F sharp would be a major third. D to F, if we lowered that sharp to a natural, D to F would be a minor third. So D to F flat becomes a diminished third. Woo, tricky one. All right, so you'll need to take a screenshot of the numbers. This has to be at least 25. You have to do at least 25 of these, and this has to be at least 90%. And then just take a screenshot at the end. Same with interval construction. So we'll go to the settings, make sure you've got treble and bass clef. You can set the range, whatever you'd like. Make sure you don't have any key signatures, and require quality. Yep, and all of the intervals. So here now we get to build them. This is a little more like the homework. So we'll start for building a fourth, right, before we do any of the quality. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fourth is a perfect interval. So we just have to lower it 1/2 step. So we're going to have G to C flat. Augmented fourth. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Another perfect interval. So A to E is our perfect fourth. So sorry, E to A is our perfect fourth. So we raise the top A by 1/2 step to augmented fourth. Great, so you'll need to have at least 25 out of 25 here. You should do more, I mean, do 100 or more of these, give you practice, and a 90% score.